GSM is? Let's go!
The most common used mobile technology is GSM, Global System for Mobile. The key elements of GSM technology are handset, BTS, Base Transceiver Station, MSC, Mobile Switching Center, BSC, Base Station Controller, HLR, Home Location Register, BLR, Visiting Location Register, SIM card, Subscriber Identity Module card.
The frequency channel are uplink frequency band of 890 MHz to 915 MHz. Downlink frequency band of 935 MHz to 960 MHz. There are 134 channels of 200 kHz each. Mobile handset contain hardware and software specific of radio interface and SIM card specific to the GSM network.
Now, I will show you how GSM works.
Base Transceiver Station (BTS) is responsible for communication to and from handset. Mobile Switching Center (MSC) is responsible for all switching functions related to call processing. MSC is the interface between GSM network and PSTN, Public Telephone Network. Base Station Controller (BSC) monitor and control several base stations. It is responsible for all radio interface management.
Home Location Register (HLR) is database in charge of the management of mobile subscribers. Visiting Location Register (VLR) contains the relevant data of all mobile handsets currently located in the serving of MSC. SIM module contains phone number, service code, PIN code, status of SIM, and other relevant details. SIM cards are embedded with microprocessors.
Picture show GSM area hierarchy. Cell are basic unit of GSM system. The cell has several frequencies depending on the traffic load. Frequencies are reused but not used in neighboring cells due to interference.